So guys, welcome back to the channel. As according to my last post in the community section, I only received 3 votes, and I asked you which car you would like to see next in a 360 interior video, and you chose the BMW E70 X5. So here we are now inside of my BMW X5. As you can see, probably there is the M3 as well, so the next one will be the M3 for that person, for the only one person who chose the M3. So this video is going to be about the interior of the E70 X5. This car is a 40D model. That means it has a 3-liter diesel engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It has around 302 brake horsepower. So let me tell you about this car. I will record with my phone as well and try to put that footage over there instead of the windshield somewhere, if I will be able to do so. This one is a 2010 model, which means it is a facelift model or LCI. The biggest change you can notice inside is the Idrive controller and the head unit itself. The screen has better resolution and the menu points are different. So as you can see, the upgraded iDrive system got now more buttons, not just the bottom 1 or 2, which in the previous generation it was the back button and the voice assistant in some models as well. So now it has assigned buttons for every menu point, such as CD, radio, navigation, telephone, and menu itself as well. Let me tell you about the extras in this car. So this car is equipped with heated seats and ventilated seats as well. It has 3 set points, each of them, so you can adjust it in 3 different levels, the heating and the ventilating of the seats as well. Also, it has dual climate control, which is here for the passenger and for the driver. So basically what it does, I'll show you in a second, but what it does, you can adjust where the air is blowing on you for the driver separately and for the passenger separately as well. Unfortunately, you cannot adjust the speed of the fan separately. It is only one-way adjustable. So here in the bottom section, you can see the extras this car is equipped with. So starting from the left, this button is for the massage seat for the driver. It's weird that it's on the passenger side and it works for the driver. This button is for the camera. It controls 2 cameras. One is the top view camera, which appears on the screen, and the second one is the rear view camera, which you can switch between. I'll show you later that one as well. The third button is for the traction control. You can turn it completely off by pressing that button. The fourth one is the cruise control on the downhill. The fifth one is the trunk switch button, and the sixth is the button for the 2 front cameras inside the front bumper. Also, this car has the cruise control, but not the adaptive one. However, I want to try to retrofit the adaptive cruise control. I will show you how to do that and what it does. Then the car has the adaptive headlights function, which means that if your high beam is on and someone is coming towards you during the night or in the dark, the camera over there will notice it and turn off the high beams automatically. Once the car passes through you, it will turn back the lights on. Also, it has the cornering functions, so the headlight follow the direction of the steering wheel. Also, this car is equipped with the lane departure warning. It has the same icon on the board computer as well, or on the display over there, which I will show you in a minute as well. So what it does, over 40 miles an hour, it will turn on. Using the same camera, it will detect the lanes on the road and will keep you in the lane. And if you want to leave the lane without using your indicators, it will shake the steering wheel to make you aware that you are leaving the lanes. Also guys, feel free to look around in the back how much space this car has. So now let's turn on the ignition. As you can see, the steering wheel goes back to my last setting where I left it, and also it is controlled electronically here. So let me show you the dual zone climate control. So you press the button, and here you can adjust where you want. If you press the button one more time, if you press it one more time, you can adjust where the air is coming at you, and also with the Idrive controller you can adjust the temperature of the heat of the air. So now it's all the way to the hot side, now it's all the way to the cold side. Let me show you the cameras. So if I press the button, the top view camera will come up as default. It also shows the lanes as well. If you see on the right side is the curvature of the steering wheel. If I press the iDrive, it will go to the reverse mode. If I press it again, goes back to the top view. Also, if I press this button, this is for the front cameras, it will bring up the two front cameras. The yellow line, which you can see, is the front of the car. So by that you know how far you are sticking out from the parking space you are in. So that's great help letting you know where is the front of your car. And also here is the lane departure warning display, as I said. And also this car has a speed limit information. So that what that does is it uses the camera and the GPS as well. So the camera checks for the road signs, for the speed limit information, and it will show you on the dashboard what is the maximum allowed speed you can drive. It is pretty much accurate. Sometimes it takes a bit time to switch the speed. Let's say I'm in a 13 mile per hour zone and I go inside or into the 14 mile hour zone. It takes a little while till it switches by working properly. And what I did also, I coded the digital speedometer in, as you can see here, because that's the function. BMWs don't have it as default, so I had to code it in. So guys, this was the interior of the BMW X5. Let me know in the comment section what I've missed, what you would like to hear about. If you liked the video so far, consider hitting the subscribe button and giving this video a like. That would help the channel to grow tremendously. And also, if you would like to support me, you can do it by using the super thanks button underneath this video or joining my membership. So this was all from me today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and also, as I said, just comment whatever I missed on this video, or what else would you like to know about this car, and I will try to answer all the comments you ask or all the questions you ask me. But yeah, this was it. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.